Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing App Alchemy.ai, the AI-powered app builder that claims to turn ideas into working apps without writing a single line of code. But is it actually worth your time in 2025? Let's find out. We tested App Alchemy for a full week, building multiple app types from single to feature-rich. The goal? To see if this platform lives up to its promise of fast, AI-driven app development. App Alchemy uses natural language prompts to generate full app layouts, logic, and even design elements. You describe what you want, the AI builds it. There's also built-in deployment tools and real-time previews, which definitely helped us move fast. We love the clean UI and how beginner-friendly it is. It's perfect for entrepreneurs, startups, and designers, but it's not perfect. Customization is still limited if you're aiming for advanced features or pixel-perfect control, and pricing could be a barrier for small teams. So, is appalchemy.ai worth it in 2025? If you're looking to rapidly prototype or launch MVPs without dividing into code, it's a solid tool. But if you're building complex apps that need full control, you might still need a developer down the line. Tried App Alchemy? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos from us. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.